Kung may asawa ka, may jowa ka, o may karelasyon ka, meron tayong phone rules for couples. Isa dyan dapat hindi mo nilalagay sa silent mode yung phone mo pagkasama mo jowa mo o yung asawa mo. It makes you look like you're hiding something. It's okay to chat with friends online. Pero dapat hindi ka nakikipag-chat sa ibang tao more than you chat with your partner. Pag halimbawa naman na magiging busy ka, notify mo yung partner mo na hindi ka muna makakasagot ng phone calls o makaka-reply sa mga messages. Okay makipaglandian sa telepono, pero dapat makikipaglandian ka lang sa partner mo. Pag meron namang gumawa ng forward move na makipaglandian sa'yo, huwag mo nang patulan, sabihin mo na yung totoo that you're already taken. Pag nasa date naman kayo ng partner mo, keep the phone away. Huwag na muna gumamit ng phone, mag-date na muna kayo. Pag sumagot ka ng phone, huwag kang lalayo sa partner mo. Your partner will perceive you are hiding something or you're having an affair. Pag may nakita kang missed call o text from your partner, please call her back or reply as soon as you can. Ito, importante ito. Avoid fights and arguments over the phone. If ever, mag-usap kayo face-to-face. Tandaan, pareho yung role to communicate. Communication takes two.